Hello guys, today I will show to you how to make this neon light effect in Photoshop. The material link in the description below. It is safe to download because the link from Google Drive. Pay attention to the shortcut that is shown at the bottom of the screen. First open the file, click twice to unlock. I make new layer for the neon and then I use pen tool. Use this setting, shape, fill, none, and the stroke I use white, and the corner I use the setting. I arrange the thickness. Blend option. Color overlay, I use green. Inner glow, I use anti-alias, and then I use this setting. Linear dodge, and outer glow I use linear dodge and green. I arrange the opacity, the size, the spread, and then drop shadow, linear dodge, green, spread, the size, and then I group the neon. First I select the talent by using contextual taskbar. And then I mask the neon. I name it neon to the layer. And then I brush with white color, opacity 100, flow 100. I mark with orange, and then I make new layer. I use green, linear dodge. I arrange the opacity of the brush, and then I make flare here. And then I select again the talent. I make new layer and then I group the new layer. I mark the group with green, and then I mask with the by the selection. I use linear dodge, and then I brush around here. I click twice to enter the layer style, and then I arrange the underlying layer setting. I think this is okay. I mask again. I brush with black color. And then I click the layer of the talent. I use hue saturation, colorize, I click twice to enter the layer style, and I arrange the underlying layer. Click OK. And then I copy the neon group. I delete the masking. And then I merge. I transform. I rotate. Then I zoom the glass. I arrange the red. Go to path panel and control click the path and mask. Oh, here. The copy of the neon, and then linear dodge, arrange the opacity. This is for the reflection. I name this layer to flare, and then I make new layer for the smoke effect. I use brush. I use spatter brush. If you cannot find, you can find here. Get more brush, and so many brush here. I use this brush spatter. Click download. After you click download, you will find file like this. Click twice to the file, and it is automatically installed to your Photoshop. Spatter brush I use this brush. I use green. Blend mode, I use green. First, I convert to smart object, and then I blur, and then I reduce the opacity. I mask, and then I brush with black color to the mask. And then I make new layer again for the smoke. I use green. I convert to smart object. Use Gaussian blur. Reduce the opacity. Mask. I mask with black color. I make new layer again. I use white color. Screen, convert to smart object. I name it smoke, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I reduce the opacity. This one I reduce the opacity again. And then I add vibrance. Okay guys, I think that's it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.